Well, I went through my dad's old stuff in the garage and I found some really old products. I have much newer versions of this, but I thought it was funny. $2.99 Canadian from Home Hardware. When's the last time price tags looked like that? It's pretty cool. This is probably way older, but it's some of that putty style steel reinforced epoxy. It's probably nearly as old as I am. I don't even know, but we'll see if I can make some of that up and fix that diff. I only have one shot at this, that's the thing. You can't get it apart if it doesn't go right. But I think I'm just going to put it all back in there and shove a big glob of that inside and squeeze it in the vise. You can see all the metal shavings in there. Okay. Yesterday, I got a bunch of work done on this. Got the weed whacker in here even further. Pulled all the big trees out that I knocked down. I'd like to get in with the chainsaw and cut this back a little more. But honestly, maybe just to there, just that little piece. That tree can stay, just those little shrubs. Cut that one out. I got to here with the chainsaw that day and I quit. I remember. So I got all these little things in here. Just to that corner basically right there. And it's clear all the way through the rest of the way. Then I just got a bunch of branches to pick up. Then I can get in here with the weed whacker and finish this off. And we basically completed the monster truck track. The only other question was I kind of wanted to go this way around. And maybe under that fallen log. So I could also clear that. Or maybe save that for the springtime. I don't know. But if you're going to end up coming around and through this way, this log is kind of in the way. Could cut it back to here and take that out. Take this tree out. So you have a path to come this way over the logs, bang, bang, bang. Or want to go around them. I don't know if there's anything to jump. Maybe there's the one. Then you come around under this, along here. But then this is all crooked for you. But the stuff you fill in around it can be shaped differently. Like if you're gonna put a pass in there, then you could do half of this. Kind of levels as a jump out that direction. Jump up onto it and then down. This one can stay like it is. Come over it, over that stuff. Lumpy ground, jump. I saw a leaf fall. Oh no, it's fall. Then the other thing is I could spend some time clearing the whole middle of it out. I mean, then you could see the whole track going around, or you could sit in the middle or build a platform in the middle. I don't know. I don't know what to do. I'd like to have some place to stand where I can see the whole track from. But I'd also rather have, you know, first person view camera and not be able to see the truck at all and just drive from inside the truck. That's like my favorite scenario. Look at this moss covered old log. It's ready to just fall apart. Yeah, so I'll get in here with the chainsaw and just quickly take all this little stuff out. It'll literally take about 10 minutes. Let's go look at it from this way. I need to bring some more fill in here. I have some in the trailer. Dump it right there. Level that out a bit. Cover the corner of that log a little bit. And this, yeah, needs to be weed whacked. I already cut it all down, but it's all growing back in. It's like somebody was sleeping right in here. Somebody big enough to bend this branch from way up there. Pull it down. Maybe they were nibbling on the leaves or something. Weird. Weird, weird, weird. But it'll be fun to watch this evolve over the next few years. Every spring come in and rake all the leaves and fill all the areas in around the logs, and it's going to get more and more natural looking. It's too bad this jump here isn't more in the middle of the straightaway or something so you can actually hit it, but it is what it is. It's just a natural obstacle course. The logs are where they fell. That's why I saw it. It was like perfect. It's already laid out. You got your curves. You got the side of the track. Jump's already there. I mean, all I needed to do was trim it out. And that's all I've done. And then I gotta pick up some of this garbage. Some of these bricks that are sticking up. Things that are gonna break things. Tin, pots. I don't know where that's a carpet. I don't know why. Who dumped this crap here, but I can guarantee you I ain't strong enough to pick that friggin' carpet up and yank it out of the ground. It'll be full of roots and shit. That's what I'd like to do. Pick it up, take it to the dump. Big sopping wet 100-year-old carpet. Gross. Yeah. So that's my project for today. Hopefully I can get this completed. If I don't start in the next few minutes, it ain't gonna happen. The sun's already starting to dip down. Let's get to work. So here's what happened. The 30-year-old epoxy didn't set. Nothing worked. It kind of dried, but it's still just putty. So I went to try and drive it, and as you saw, it just spun. So let's start over. I've got to scrape all this out of there and clean everything up again. Not going to be as easy the first time. All I had to do was spray with brake cleaner. Now I got a big job on my hands. This is what I was worried about. That's why I didn't want to use that crap. But I thought it'd be the best option.
Intercept and destroy. Intercept and destroy.